Hello! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. So this is Miko Poge. So ngayon, meron tayong ipa-prank. First time kong mang-prank dahil inimbita ako ng aking mga co-workers before dito sa Hamamatsu. So mag-inuman daw kami. So ngayon, meron ako ipa-prank sa kanila. So this one, alam niyo ba to? So sa hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano to, so malalaman niyo to later. So ipa-prank natin sila. Oh, I'm here already at inside. Okay. So now let's talk to the children. Hey boys. Hi. Hi. So only English. Only English, no Bisaya. Oh my God. Hey, come. There. Go there, all. All go there.
Yeah, you're dead.
Later. Put there, go there. So now I have gift for you. So actually I prepared this. This is from America. So you know this?
Dorito!
Yes.
No?
You know this?
Oh.
Okay, what is this? Wait.
You read, babe, you read.
Shit. Who can answer my question, then I will give this one. This is our prize, okay? So this is a competition, right? Chotomate, wait. Okay, wait for a while. All are set? Who can speak Bisaya?
All of us!
One,
Bisaya,
2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, okay. So all of Who can speak Tagalog?
Wala.
Little bit. Ah, okay. Who can speak Japanese? Sabayo! Dare.
Grade 1.
Anata? Nihongo wa karanai?
Di ba sa nag-YouTube?
Onaji da yo. Daijoubu yo. Onaji wa karanai nihongo. Okay, question. Ito ha, question. Magtatanong ako. So, ang price natin is this one. So, mamaya na! Kung sino yung kung sino yung makakasagot ng ating, this is the prize, okay? So, no! Ano talaga? We only have one grand winner. Pag-alin?
Ako na winner, pwede na ko i-share sa uban.
Yeah, you can share, pero isa lang talaga ang mananalo sa atin.
Okay.
Okay?
I can look because we can share so.
Okay, so, Daijoubu? Daijoubu janai dayo. Daijoubu? Okay, so first question. Tulo ka question ha. Okay. First question.
Ma? Mura si Joris.
No. Bayad si Joris no. Okay, our first question is, what is my name? Oh my God, you don't know my name?
Yes!
Okay, get it. My name.
Vlogger.
Hindi.
Miko?
Miko?
Ito.
Miko? Miko Uti. Miko
sige, i-search ninyo kinsay na YouTube sa inyong phone. I-search din karon. Sige daw. Miko, i-search sa YouTube. Miko. Sige daw, be. I-search sa YouTube.
I can die!
Mickey Mouse.
Miko Bugay!
Pogi, grabe Pogi. Oy! Alright, okay. 1 point. David! One Poge na ha, di na Poga yan. Yung pangalan. Pangit kung pangalan anak, Poge. Okay, so 1 point si David. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Second question.
Is it all about you?
Is it all about you ba
No,
daw?
it's not. It's all about you. Okay, so now let's have another question.
Shooting!
What month is my birthday?
Patay.
Month lang, month.
What kind of question is that? 10! 10?
You say 10 month, 10 ba na naman? 10?
Gatsu.
10 October.
Nangatsu.
Oh,
December!
no.
August. 4月。August.
November!
Ay, ano pangalan mo?
Christmas!
Oh, Christmas!
December, November.
Ay, November. Okay.
Next door? What the freak?
Okay, another question. Last question. So, meron na, di ba? So, kung sino makapano nito, ito yung my prize tag. So, last question is, saan ako nagtrabaho noong 2017? Where I work in 2017? Ayan, so ngayon, alam talaga niya sa Miyake, ito ko nag-work.
Chismoso na good.
Okay, so now, since siya ang winner, so this is for, and prize niya to, so ngayon, share niyo sa
Oh,
ilaha.
because there is nothing.
Yeah, okay, so, dahil sharing is loving, so kailangan talaga siyang i-share. You have to share this one, so this is from America, so chips, original flavor, delicious chips, okay, potato flavor, okay? So, this is very, very good. So, i-share niyo mo sa ila. Ayaw niyo kumain ito? Mamaya ng ketay, mamaya ng ketay. Okay, share mo sa kanila ha. Okay, go! Share mo sa kanila. Yan ang pang-ano.
Are they for mag-gate ka sa mga din itan na like brown.
Share ha. Share ha. Maraming salamat for watching. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Miko Poge. Pak Pak Japan!